Let's walk through the process of publishing your book on Amazon KDP step by step. First, go to kdp.amazon.com. Look for the Join KDP button and click it. A new window will appear. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. Then click the Create Your KDP Account button. You'll need to verify both your email address and phone number. Once that's done, your Amazon KDP account is ready to use. Now in your Amazon KDP account, find the Bookshelf button at the top of the page and click it. Then click Create to start a new book project. You'll see various book options. Choose the paperback version, as our book has only 24 pages and can't have a hardcover. Next, enter your book's title. If your book is part of a series, you can click Add to Series, but we'll skip that for now. Add the author's first name and last name. Now, let's add a short description of your book. We'll use the summary Bookimagic generated for the back cover. Open your Bookimagic file, find the cover page section, and copy the book summary on the back cover. Paste it into the description field on Amazon. Important: ensure the book title, author's name, and summary match exactly what's shown in your book design. Any differences may result in Amazon requiring you to update this information to match your book's content. In the Publishing Rights section, click I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. Remember, when you purchase the book from Bookimagic, you will receive a contract giving you full copyright ownership over your book and illustrations. Click No to confirm there are no sexually explicit images in the book. For the audience age range, set the minimum age to 1-year-old and the maximum to 10 years old, since this is a children's book. Now, let's choose the book category. Click Choose Categories and select Children's Books. Then pick Literature and Fiction, followed by Chapter Books and Readers, and finally Chapter Books. On the right side, indicate whether the book is fiction or nonfiction. Click Save Categories to move forward. Next, add up to 7 keywords that highlight your book's unique traits. Let's use Children's Book About Friendship as an example. Leave the publication date as is, since we want to release the book now. Click Save and Continue. We need to add an ISBN for the book. Since we're only distributing on Amazon, we can get a free ISBN. Click the Assign ISBN button to get one. For the print options, select Premium Color Interior with white paper. It's important to note that the Standard Color Interior with white paper option requires your book to have at least 72 pages to be printable. Since our book has only 24 pages, we must choose the Premium Color Interior with white paper option to proceed. Our book size is 8.5 whereas 8.5 inches, so click Select Different Size and choose that option. Because our book has images, select the Bleed PDF Only option. For the book's cover paper, choose either matte or glossy. I prefer glossy. Now let's upload the book files. After purchasing your book on Bookimagic, you will receive 2 PDF files from Bookimagic, layout.pdf and covered PDF. Click Upload Manuscript and select the layout PDF file from your computer to upload the book's interior. Wait for it to upload. For the cover, select the Upload Cover You Already Have option. Click on the Upload Your Cover File button and select the cover.pdf file from your computer. Finally, you'll be asked if the book's text content is AI generated. Since I made edits to the Bookimagic generated story, I'll click No. Now, let's preview the book before publishing. Click the Launch Previewer button and wait for it to load. Once the preview loads, carefully check each page for blank spaces or layout issues in your book and cover. If everything looks good, click the Approve button. You'll be redirected back to the paperback content page. Now you can see your book summary at the final section of the page. Let's go ahead and click Save and Continue. You will be redirected to the paperback rights and pricing page. In the first section of this page, keep all territories checked. Let's scroll to the Pricing, Royalties, and Distribution section. Here we can choose a price for our book within the given range. The minimum price covers printing costs but yields no royalties. Any amount above this is your profit margin. So the minimum price is $7, so let's set the price at $12. You'll see in the royalty column that you'll earn $3 per book at this price. I think I'm fine with this option, but you can set your book price based on your consideration. Below, you can view your book's price on various Amazon platforms in different countries. Let's scroll down. In the Terms and Conditions section, you can see that it can take up to 72 hours for your book to be available on Amazon. Finally, you can request a book proof to check for printing errors before your book goes live. I will skip this step and will go ahead and click the Publish Your Paperback button. And that's it. Your book is under review. It can take up to 72 hours before it's available on Amazon. For low-content books, this process may take up to 10 business days. Amazon will notify you when your book is published. That's it, guys! Congratulations, you're now a published author. In our next tutorial, we'll guide you through publishing your ebook version. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep creating and enjoy bringing your stories to life with Bookimagic.